Doing a quality inspection. Yeah, our jobs are much cleaner.
You can't even spot anything wrong with this.
Yeah, I don't see anything wrong. But I gotta talk to it anyway. It actually looks pretty good. I don't even know what I'm looking at. That's the problem. Is it supposed to be higher or taller?
It's good.
I mean, the interior is nice. Luis.
Who's that guy?
Oh, the guy brings some material for the shop, like screws, clips.
He's your friend then?
He's everybody's friend over here. We know the guy for a very, very long time. He goes every shop.
Javier, what are you doing to this car? Springs?
Yeah, we do a spring to lower it.
Okay, so we're doing lowering springs on this car. That's it?
For now, yeah.
Okay, so that's what we're doing right now. I don't think this car needs much anyway, honestly. This thing's fully loaded. It has everything. I really like it. I like the little nice carbon pieces here. Look at the size of this rotor. This is a massive, massive rotor. This thing's huge.
It's like a Urus, huh? Or smallest.
This thing's big. I think
Urus is bigger, I think. Or is it the same size?
I think it might be the same size. I think the Ventador is probably the nicest, more aggressive looking car. Even though I would choose Ferrari every day, you can't go wrong with the looks.
Like all the dry carbon?
Yeah, this car looks amazing. It's beautiful.
Do you have to replace those springs to lower it?
Yes. Javier's already become like an expert. The funny thing is, we all used to work on like just regular cars back in the days at the other shop, you know, Toyotas, Hondas, Chevys, Audis, stuff like that. So now that Javier's working on these high-end cars, he actually forgot how to work on the other cars. So that's why we don't give him anything else besides springs, shocks, exhausts, and that's it. That's all Javier does. He does not touch anything else because he forgot. So yeah, I'm not gonna put any customer in liability because Javier forgot how to fix cars.
Javier should open up his own shop.
If Javier opened his own shop, his shop's name would be Javier, make it to break it Salazar. It looks like you just came from Redondo Beach. No one professional at the shop. Everyone's f***ed up.
He said you're not professional.
I did not see it. This would be a nice car to have. There's a lot of issues with this car. I just don't know where it is. Where the problem is.
What you said?
He said you look like you just came from the
I
beach.
said you look like you just came from the beach. Look at you.
Yeah, it's too hot.
You definitely do not look like a painter.
So, Mo Shalizi's infamous SVJ that he bought after he was on our podcast saying he's not going to buy an SVJ. 2 days later, he bought an SVJ. Beautiful Nero Nemesis SVJ. We actually clear brawed this car before, but we just got a 1016 Industries carbon fiber hood today. It's a little late in the day. We wanted to film the car, so we're going to have Luis install it real fast. Why not? We also installed Novatec springs, so it's lowered. The wheels are on order. The exhaust is coming in. Carbon fiber parts are coming in. A lot of stuff's gonna go down, but for now, we're gonna film it because it's, look at this thing, it's like a Batmobile, and we're gonna throw on that hood right now. The hood is gonna be gloss carbon for now, but we're gonna do a satin clear bra over it. Not gonna have time to do a satin clear bra before we finish filming, but we'll just throw it on anyways, just to show you guys what's up. Also, these pillars are throwing me off. As you can see, they're black, shiny. I think I'm gonna put a satin clear bra on that just to make it all satin. This car should be all satined out. So look at all this satin carbon fiber. It looks really, really nice. So.
Look what we have. Our good friend Mo's car.
It's kind of crazy how they leave the car right here.
Yeah, I don't know why they do that. It's a big liability. If somebody hits it, they're gonna be responsible, not us. So I don't know why they just leave it. All right, this is our good buddy's Mo's car. So we're gonna go ahead and take it inside. We're gonna change the hood. Hood's ready. We're gonna put this car back to stock. And yeah, we should have this thing ready by tomorrow. It's not that hard to do, so tomorrow.
Why not today?
We can't do it today. We are super full. When it's around 3:30 to 4 o'clock at RDB, it's called crunch time. And our definition means there's about 5 to 6 cars that have to be completed in the last 2 hours. Customers are coming still, pick up their cars. There's a lot of stuff going on in the last 2 hours. So yeah, we have to fit this into tomorrow's schedule. Let's go for a ride. So everyone's at the shop right now. I'm gonna take a little break. I sneaked out of the shop, so I'm just gonna go for a little bit of a drive, have fun while everyone's working, because I worked all day. This is why I like Camrys and Honda Accords and stuff. They're the easiest cars to drive. This thing has 245 buttons. Hey, we'll do body work. Let me see if we'll come by.
How is that gonna let him know to come by for body work?
Sometimes the best marketing is actually not telling somebody what you do. They'll let them figure it out.
There you go.
I like the music.
Thanks.
God bless you. Have a good one.
Yes, sir. You guys do. Nice car.
Thank you. I bought it for my sister.
What?
Thank you. He's playing really nice music. I'm in a good mood today, man. I've never talked this much in my life. Vic promised me a bonus, so I'm happy. So if it doesn't happen, I'm just gonna go back to my old miserable self.
Feeling out the stars?
Yeah, this car has starlights, and it's bad.
Why?
It's cutting your finger.
Your fingers are bleeding?
Sergio took it out to do the thing.
Yeah, and they break everything.
That's fine. It's already messed up. He knows. Just have to put it back, and that's it.
Yeah, but I cannot put it like how it was. Oh, I'm sorry.
So we have a G-Wagon here. This car came in. Customer wanted to wrap the roof, and this car was wrapped somewhere else, and it was a really bad job. So we wanted to wrap the roof again, so we did that. We took the old wrap off, and we rewrapped it with gloss black. Looks much nicer. We are putting his stock parts back on, and this car will be ready a little bit later today.
Moses did a good one.
It's nice.
Martin Moses did a great one.
Your first exhaust.
Your first exhaust job.
What kind of exhaust is that?
I have no idea, but it sounds good.
Apex. Apex.
Apex? Okay, so this GT3, this is a beauty. It's one of my favorites. I've said it before. I'm a big GT3 fan. I think Porsche's nicest car is the GT3. So on this car, we did a lot of work. It's still here because we're doing so much to it. This car came in with a bad clear bra. It had a Satin Clear Bra on, which was terrible. So we did the whole car again. We had to redo everything. We also had to do a lot of paint corrections because this car, the previous owner, I guess, didn't take care of it really well. So before the wrap, we had to actually do paint corrections. We painted the rear bumper, front bumper. Also, there's a lot of body work that was done to this car to make it perfect again. Car had a lot of dents. It's back to 100%, looks beautiful. Now we're doing extra stuff. We're doing everything custom on this car too. Javier right now already put in a nice exhaust on this car. We're gonna go ahead and raise the wing as well, make it much nicer and more aggressive. This car is getting there, so hopefully maybe another week, you guys will see it completely finished.
Hey, you know what's the best part about it? He didn't buy the exhaust. The customer brought it.
Oh, shit. We're trying.
Yeah, it's
Did you see his face?
Yeah, we did a great job. Good job, Moses.
Why is everybody here? Go.
Yeah, how come everyone's standing here? It's very weird.
Wanna applaud you.
Right here, I'm standing in front of Shalizi's McLaren 765 LT. We shot this car like a year ago, but I don't know why we didn't shoot a lot of it. We didn't get crazy pictures. So Zumi took some great pictures right now. But yeah, this car, still meticulous. It was wrapped in that Army Green from Inozatec. I mean, this color is gorgeous on this car. Nobody had the balls to do it on this kind of car, but we did on the 720, it looked great. So we did the 765, awesome wheels, lowered, exhaust, tuned, 1016 hood. Sadly, it's gonna go to a new home. And instead of this car, a very, very crazy car is coming. A very special, limited car is coming. So I'm not gonna hate on that. But yeah, this car is going. Super, super impressive car. This is probably one of my favorite 765s out there, honestly. And sad to see it go.
Look at the green goblin.
It's a crazy busy week this week. We're very busy.
All right, guys. By now, you probably saw our podcast, the reel we made regarding that Cullinan. It's a burnout gray Cullinan that has a Novitec wide body kit on it. We don't know who did it. It wasn't done in California. It was done somewhere on the East Coast, but our customer bought it sight unseen. It's about a $600,000 car. And unfortunately, our customer's a very nice guy and just bought the car without really looking at it. And he sent it here to do a clear bra. Upon the car arriving here, we looked at it and we were in complete shock and disbelief because, I mean, I've never seen a Cullinan that has a body kit that is that sloppy and terrible. terribly done, and like I've seen stuff that are like okay and passable, and like not all wide bodies are going to be 100%. They're going to, the best you could even get them to be is like 99%. So, but this thing is unpassable, completely unpassable, and anybody that can see would see all the flaws on it. All the panels have gaps, color is wrong, the paint job is not good, the quality is not good, the kit is about to fall off literally, all the panels are misaligned, and so much going on with it, and even has 26s with the wrong tire size. So we're gonna fix it. We're gonna entirely rip it off and fix it and do it the right way. That's what this $600,000 car needs. And I don't know why this month, well, the end of July and the beginning of June has been literally all cars coming in that are wide bodied already and damaged. Literally got 3 Uruses, a Cullinan, a wide body Corvette that we just finished up, that green one. I don't know why it's happening, but it is, and unfortunately this is the problem with trying to save some money or whatever, or dealers trying to build cars and flip them fast. They do bad work. So take it to the right places. There's only a handful in the United States, literally a handful of shops that could do this kind of work the right way, and you know, that's the only shops that should be touching these cars. So yeah, that Cullinan right there is gonna get fixed, so that's all that matters.